Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by acknowledging the risks. Disabling built-in protection exposes your system to malware and network threats. Make sure you have an administrator account, a recent system restore point, and off-site backups. Once done, review tamper protection in Windows Security because it blocks external changes. You will need to use official settings rather than command tricks. Make sure to document why you need this change and have a plan to re-enable protection promptly after the task finishes. You proceed by using supported interfaces rather than hidden commands. Open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection, then manage settings to toggle real-time protection if allowed. This respects tamper protection and audit trails. In corporate environments, use Group Policy or Microsoft Endpoint Manager to apply changes centrally and safely. Once done, log the change, explain the temporary reason, and schedule an automatic re-enable to maintain compliance and security. Do not rely on transient command line workarounds. You finish by restoring protection and verifying system health. Re-enable real-time protection through Windows Security and confirm that definitions update successfully. If you cannot change settings, check whether tamper protection or corporate policies are blocking edits. Sometimes only endpoint management can make the change. As a troubleshooting tip, if settings remain locked or errors appear, revert to your system, restore point, or contact your IT admin rather than forcing low-level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.